Welcome to another mint video. Alright y'all, today we got this. I can't explain how mint this bike is. You see how excited how my nipples are freaking harder than diamonds. Feel them. Touch that nipple. See how hard it is? Let's see that. So we got this extra long shifter all the way out here. Nice and factory welded on there. We got we're gonna do some. This is a garage video. You gotta keep your bike mint. If you lose that chain, you want to keep that thing tight. Come around. You always got a covered fender. You're allowed extra mud to sling up in your face. So we see that shirt right there has. We're taking off this exhaust. We gotta hear it. You gotta hear what Hogan sounds like when he's got that, diarrhea, and he's just something that's. That's what Hogan sounds like when you take this exhaust off. Scott Walker Rowe over here thinks he's all fast, Oh yeah, I'm one position behind you. Yeah, I'm so fast. Yeah. No, you're not. You stay the same speed every time. Just. Okay. Now we begin. Take 10mm thingamadoer. Take it to the plastic. That's an 8. You get your 8 thingamadoer. Take that here factory roost number plate. I'm trying to find the damn bolt. Factory root. Friggin' 10. You take your factory roost side panel off, and you expose the nice and oiled exhaust. This is Daddy over here. Hi y'all. Taking this here header off. Yeah, crap. Some biscuit. Come on, Hogan. I thought you lubed me up well. I didn't say anything. Man. Take it all off. Oh, it's freaking hot. I forgot I was ran this bike.
Mason?
Yes?
I think we have a problem. Okay. This thread is supposed to be in the bike.
See what? What are you talking about?
Look, this thread is on the bike. That's broken off the bike.
What?
You see what I mean?
Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Well, we got here a problem here, Shunish. What the? Well, so we ain't taking off this exhaust after all. It'll stay factory. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh wait, actually maybe I'll move through. Actually still can. Yep. Never mind. We're still doing this crap. Now there's 3 more bolts we got. Oh shoot, I'm missing a bolt right here. I'm missing a bolt right here. That's okay. How many more? I don't know what daggone bolts I have. Alright, well we're taking off. Oh, that's where it went. You might 10mm socket. You take your 12mm socket. It's about the size of Hogan, I don't know. I say he's not that big, because all he does is woods race. That's for pussy. Wheel peel race motocross. I don't want to be too tired for my wood race. Yeah. Say wood race is just, you gotta have all that energy for them wood races. Just, this you go. Wood race is just. Trust me, I did woods race. That thing's easy. Ain't no needing. I raced before that night. I crashed 4 times. I still freaking kicked his butt. Took him out, ran into a tree. You're still freaking mint. All you gotta do is have them on, and you'll be mint. God, this book's tighter than Noah. Don't push enough for tape. This is tighter than your mom. How dirty that boat is. Alright, y'all, we almost factory. Almost got this mint exhaust off. I don't know my shoes. Oh yeah. Y'all ready for this? Ah! Are y'all even ready to hear this factory sound? Look at that custom exhaust. What do you shave about 4 pounds? Ah, frick. Daddy. Shifter work? Yeah, we're done. Oh, y'all ready to hear this beast purr? Now you see, this is what Hogan sounds like on the toilet. This is the real. There's gonna be Shane's flame shooting. You better stand over here, Daddy. Come here, Daddy. You gotta get into that exhaust. Are you ready? Oh, God. We hear a factory here. Alright, next on the agenda, we gotta tighten up this here chain. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna take a little break. Alright, we're getting this thingy on here. Can't even get gosh darn bolts. Can't get these gosh darn bolts in here because it's freaking strapped. That's how I meant this thing. We don't work with regular bolts. All we have is stripped. We just, the Hogan Cutshell Factory Racing Woods Racer, you know, Factory Woods Racer. Woods Racers are so cool. Alright, Hogan Cutshell. Am I right, Hogan Cutshell? Hogan Cutshell's my daddy. Check his Snapchat name. His name's Daddy. Why can't this show me? Well, I want to go in. That's what she said. I want to in. Come on. In there. Tighter. And tighter. That's what she said. And tighter. That's what she said again. Deeper. Get that bolt in. Deeper. That's what she said again. We keep this 80 freaking mint. God darn it. Come on. Come on. You got it. Almost there. Almost there. Ah! Okay, we're there. Now we gotta turn this one. Oh, we're there. Oh, there. Yes. Let me just check. Make sure everything runs right. We're mint! Now you take the factory Roostermax graphics here. Take your thingy-majigger. Take Hogan's 12mm, you know what I mean. And you stick it right in there. And you tie her down. Then you gotta throw your mint seat on here. Oh yeah, you know how mint that is? I run all the way. We are mint. Are y'all ready? We're good now. Alright, we're not going in. Whatever, we're good. Come. No, we're not good. There. There we go. Hey, while we're at it. Thanks, Daddy. While we're at it. Gotta get this seat. This seat's crusting up, you know. See all that red showing? Daddy got a little clogged up there. No! Come on, work for me. I gotta get all this this back on. Screw them stickers. We don't need them. What am I doing? Get that. We'll probably do a paint job about every 2 weeks, so put some colors in there you want to see. You know, we gotta keep this thing mint and nice and looking great with that custom spray paint design, you know. If y'all want any colors, just, you know, send me some money. I'll buy you the colors. We'll paint this whole thing. Only thing we're not painting is factory CRF sticker. That'll be the only thing that stays there. You know, we got these little chips and dinks from when I at your mom's house last night. She was riding hard, you know. She was kind of hanging on and she kind of fell off the front. And yeah, so you kind of engine eyes. You paint. You just paint over the dirt, you know. And it makes it factory, you know, like pure factory. See all that? Yeah, paint over that dirt. Or connection sticker? I don't think so. Paint over that freaking dirt, you know. It just makes it more mint. See all this dirt? See that clump of dirt? Yeah, screw that dirt. We freaking paint all over it. See that dirt? Yeah, screw you, dirt. See how mint? Did you see how freaking mint this is? Do you see how mint, just pure mint this freaking is? All that Juicy spray pan. Okay, now we're trying to tighten up this chaining here. You take your, put your spray pan back. Oh god. We got them factory spray pan graphics. Now you take your 17 millimeter, which is, no, that's 14. I don't know what this is. 19 millimeters, it's about the size of Walker Row, I think. I don't know, maybe a little bit smaller. Might be overestimating. And you take this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this nice. You always gotta keep your wheels. Oh, frick. I'm turning to a nigger. Yeah, go. It's on my though. So you take this. You know, you always gotta keep your wheels nice and wobbly. You know, gotta wear them bearings out. It means you're riding. It means you're riding good. Look at that wiggle. And you just loosen this daddy up. That smells spray paint. You take your Drake millimeter. Again, size of Hogan now. Every day you see my train because I'm just daggum woods races. Coming to motocross, he'll be like all the way out here again. But nope, every woods race just blip, 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 all the way down. He's gonna have nothing. It's gonna be like that sooner or later, you know. So you better come back out and race here, Hogan. So what you do? Oh, good lord, Ben does not. Daggum 10 millimeter. You tighten this dad up for like 3 or 4 turns. Get it all nice and mint. See how tight that chain is? Tighter than your mom. Do that couple turns. 2, 3. Come on, Dad. 4. Nice and tight. And take. We tighten this mitten back freaking up. It's gonna make it even tighter. Yeah, that's right, Daddy. Like that. Like I wanna make it tight. I mean, wrong. We're working on dirt bikes right now, not your girlfriend, Hogan. Now we're nice. Did you hear that? No slack. No freaking slack, Hogan. There's no slack. And you got any other mint ideas we can do this here? Oh, we probably bend that back to the brake lever. We'll bend that back. All you gotta do is take your hammer right here. Just gotta. Come on, Dad. Let's screw that. All right. More videos coming tomorrow because it's kind of freaking dark right now. As you may not be able to see. Can't ride when it's daggum dark. I put my bike on here, my little brother came out and said, "You ain't everything." Once again, you know. Goodbye, y'all. Keep it mint.